mention the relationship between three elastic constant, that means elastic modulus E, rigidity modulus C, instead of G. Okay, we need to use the C, and then bulk modulus K. And how is the Poisson's ratio? Mu is related to this. Okay, so here the same formulas. Okay, E and K are related like this, E and K are related like this, and E and G are related like this, and these two can be related like 3 can be related by eliminating mu. How you got this? By eliminating the mu from here. Okay, how you eliminated, I will tell quickly. For the 2 marks you don't need to derive everything, but only for your understanding I am saying 3k equal to 1 minus 2 mu. This I can write like a 1 plus 2 minus 2 mu. That can be written as 3 minus 2 into 1 plus mu. But again 1 plus mu, use this. I will substitute that. 3 minus 2 into E by 2z. Okay. Then 2 will get cancelled. Then it will become E by 3k plus E by G equal to 3. I will multiply 3 on the numerator and I will take E to the other side. Then it will become 9 by E equal to 1 by K plus 3 by G. Okay, this is how we need to derive this. And then here they are asking the relation between mu and all other thing. Okay, all other means you cannot get all other, but you can get any two. Okay, that means if I equate E equal to 3k into 1 minus 2 mu equal to 2z into 1 plus mu. Okay, so G, instead of G we have a C here. Okay, so here I need to find out the mu value here. Then what will happen? Mu 3k minus 6 mu k equal to 2c plus 2c mu. So I will take mu to one side and remaining to other side. Then mu into 2c. Okay, this will go to other side. Then it will become 6k equal to, this will come to this side, 3k minus 2g. Then mu will become 3k, g means c. 3k minus 2c divided by 2c plus 6k. Okay, this is how these are these relations.